All right, guys, we got Noctis over here at the house, and we're gonna do some upgrade on the shocks here. We're gonna be replacing the Bilstein shocks with some Bilstein Reservoir shocks. Those are the 5100s. I'm not sure the model number. 5160 is gonna be the model number on the new shocks. So I'm gonna try to get those in. And we're also gonna level it out just a little bit. Put a 1/2 inch coil spacer in the front. Dang, boys, we're out here getting sideways in the mud hole. Had my tire up in this because I haven't cut it yet, and it curled this rear pinch seam. You guys can see that. Just trying to inspect the tire here because it was in there. Bro, look at this otter though. Check this boy out. Alright, so this is the aftermath though. Keep the windows clean. Gotta stay safe out there on these streets. People will be driving way too crazy. So these are the new truck light headlights. I'm pretty sure that Rigid Industries, pretty sure that they bought out truck light, because I don't think they used to be with this branding. But yes, we got a JK right here on the front, picture of the lights, truck light, original brand by Rigid Industries. Yeah, pretty much excellence and innovation, that is true. Let's see, we got a little bit of a DOT approved here. That's nice. Pretty cool. Got a couple more JKs. Let's see here, a little bit of a before with the stock headlights, and then obviously these. I'm not sure if that's actually what they really put out, but this will probably be my 4th set of truck lights. So there's one. Get the second one out here. It's the best side. Alright, so I'm not really sure what in the world this is. It's probably some electrical grease or something like that. Probably not gonna mess with it, but cool. Got some stickers, stuff like that. Nice. Alright, let's see. Turn this over. So I did buy these off a guy on Instagram. So these are used, but they are like new. You guys can't tell. There's no fading or whatever. There's zero yellowing of the lens. So they're pretty much like white on the edges, which is very nice. First set I'll ever have that are pretty much like brand new. So that is very nice to see. Nice and clear, all that good stuff. Looks like he went ahead and wired in the adapter. I guess that'll work. Who knows? Never seen that before. I always use the little cheap adapters, but cool.